Okay, hello guys, and welcome to today's video. So this is the second video in our Power Query series. So for this video, we are going to show you how to consolidate files within one folder into just one table. So we have one folder containing files that contain the same columns, same headers, and we want to combine them into just one table. So we can do that using Power Query. So first, you have to open up your Excel, then go to the worksheet where you want the table to show up, and then go to Data, and then under Data, we then go to Get Data. So under Get Data, you will see that you have different um, sources possible. So this depends on what is available for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to select from File. So under from file, we will see different options like from Excel, from text, from PDF. But what we're going to use this time is the from folder option. So we click from folder and then it will launch your file explorer wherein you need to find the folder that contains the files that you will consolidate. So just make sure that that folder doesn't have any other files other than those files that you want to consolidate, because the rule is simple. If there's an Excel file inside, whatever that file is, then it will be consolidated with one another. So if there's like an extra file there, it will also be included in the consolidation. So you may want to remove that. So sales, and then click open as you find that folder that you're consolidating, and then it will give you some screen that shows you that these are the files that are visible in the folder. So as you see, we have the three files visible here: 2015, 2016, 2017. Okay, those are the files that we have, and Excel is starting to see them. So take note that here, if you click load, okay, then you will get this exact columns and exact details that you are seeing right now. So this is like the preview of what will show up in Excel. And we don't want this one, right? We want the data within them. So what we're going to click is use combine and load. Okay. And then it will start the process. And yeah, it's going to be a bit slow depending on how fast your computer is. But eventually you will get into this screen that says combine files, and you will see that it's trying to show you what the files look like. So here we have first file. You can also like check what the other files look like. But to be honest, there's nothing much to do there really, because Excel's, as long as you have the right files, right columns, then you don't really have to do anything here. And then that's it. Click OK at this point. Like this is just a preview. So we'll click OK on that and give it some time as Excel is trying to load three files into one table. And as you could see, we have sales rows being added from each of the files. And there you go. You now have this table that combined data from the three files. So you get this column at the beginning that shows you which file that row came from. And you will see that we have the three files being consolidated. So from here, what's amazing is that you can do whatever you want as if it's just a regular table, like maybe make a pivot table out of this. And then once you have this, then if you add more files to your folder, then that file will also be consolidated. So to demonstrate, let's say I'm going to duplicate this file because I don't have any more files to add here. So I'll just duplicate this and just rename it as 2018, and we'll see if this file gets added. So, well, it doesn't get added like immediately, You just have to, however, just refresh your query by right click refresh. A while ago, we have something like 59,000, right? And now, as you could see, we're sort of like having more rows added. We now have 85,000 rows. And let's see if that 2018 file is now there. It's already here. So I hope you learned something new today. And I would appreciate your likes and your questions. And also, if you can subscribe, that would be much appreciated. Thank you, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.